Okay, welcome back. We've got a mess in the garage, which is pretty standard for right now, but whatever, it'll be cleaned up soon. So, marine vinyl, 20 bucks on Amazon, link in the description below. And I'm going to be redoing the Polaris Switchback seat with this stuff. So, let's see how that goes. I did it on my KLR many years ago, and it looked great. However, this seat has a lot more texture, bumps in it, etc. So we're gonna have to address that and recover it with this. I'm gonna use a combination of spray adhesive and staples, because it is stapled onto the back right here. And that should do it. I'm curious to see how this comes out, and you know, rather than spending $300 on a new seat, 20 bucks of vinyl should be able to get you through a season, if not multiple seasons, and keep your sled looking nice and fresh. So let's set you guys up somewhere and we'll get started on this. Alright, first I'm gonna start cutting away some of the loose stuff here. Now this isn't very good for sticking to, so let's get some of that off, some of these loose pieces, and then we'll spray some adhesive on and see what happens. So, should be pretty quick work of things. So I'm using my Milwaukee stapler with 18 gauge staples, and let's size up the vinyl, which is over there, and throw it on. Just tack it right at the front, then I'll do a quick coating of adhesive and we should be in business. So seems simple enough, probably won't be like all of my projects, so let's give it a shot. Alright, not going super smoothly, but it is kind of working. All right, this isn't my prettiest job, but it's on there. A little wrinkly on the front, but better than before. The back is the problem, and you know what? I don't care. This is an experiment. It's gonna get me through this season. So next season, I'll probably just end up getting a new seat. But if I had more abilities with my upholstering work, this actually might have turned out even better than I thought. So that's the result. It's not ideal. And it's better than the old seat. I bet you I could probably figure out a way to solve for that, but I'm not an upholsterer. I'm just a guy trying to ride dirt bikes and snowmobiles. So let's throw it on the Switchback, which is now sticker bombed, and let's see how it looks. Okay, definitely looks kind of wonky, but it'll do. It'll be fine. Gotta clean it up a little bit, and then it'll be good to go. Still functions like a regular seat, so I pull up on that thing. Comes off. Locks into place. That should be good enough for me. So what if it comes off? It's just to keep things kind of looking okay. So, all right. Get some vinyl, link in the description. Use a staple gun, mine's Milwaukee. Link in the description to that too. Like and subscribe. If you need a quick fix for a seat rather than duct tape, this is a good alternative for only a little bit more. Oh, before I go, also, something I was working on today that I didn't feel like filming, but it is my Reupholstery gas tank holder. So, had some crates. Over there, my garage is very messy still. I had some steel crating that I chopped up, made this little angle iron brace. So I'm going to attach it to the back of the deck, and then this Reupholstery is going to go on like that. We should have plenty of extra fuel for any of the trail days. So that's 2 gallons right there. Going to be mounted on the back. At this point, this sled's done. I'm going to move it to the trailer and lock it up there, and then we'll have more space in the garage to do other things. With that, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.